Nameless.
For those who would like to cozy up to a carpet python while they enjoy a cup of tea or coffee, a new snake cafe in Tokyo's Harajuku neighborhood is just the place for you. Animal cafes are nothing new, but they have historically favored fuzzy creatures like cats, bunnies, and birds. But the Tokyo Snake Center presents a much more slithery take on the trend. For the cafe's manager, Hisamitsu Kaneko, it's a way of sharing his unique passion.
僕はとてもヘビを愛しておりまして、そのヘビの素晴らしさとか美しさを世界中の人に伝えていきたいと、そういう思いでヘビカフェをオープンしました。
The Tokyo Snake Center features 35 snakes from 20 different species that customers can choose to hold during their time at the cafe. And it's worth mentioning, none of the snakes are venomous. Phew!
こちらがコーンスネークのラブちゃんになります。うちのお店で一番人気のヘビアテンダントになります。アメリカから来ました。
Customers visit the cafe for all different reasons. Some are looking for a snake of their own.
I was thinking to buy a snake. I want a snake to in my room. So I came here to see what kind of snake and I can touch. So.
While others show up to face down a common fear. In fact, in America, it's estimated that 56% of the population reports a fear of snakes, making them the most feared animal in the country.
怖いとかそういうよくわからないイメージで来るお客さんも多いんですけども、大体こう見てで触ってで、とても癒されましたっていう風に帰ってくる方が多いです。
Entrance to the cafe is about $10. It includes a drink and the opportunity to observe the limbless reptiles. For a few dollars more, a guest can pet the snakes. Is a visit to a snake cafe in your future?
Nameless.